Exactly. You two are taking so long, I miss snack time.
I guess we better get some food. Oh my, those were all pretty good reasons, aren't they? Listen to that. I am starving, and I'm gonna make it on my own. And I certainly can't think straight with all this noise. Not to mention hunger. Now go on, shoot!
What do you say there, best friend? Is that a yes?
No, no, no!
Allow us to treat you to dinner.
All this worry is making me sick. Sick? Ponyville will be overrun with uneducated little ponies starving for apples. Oh, it'll be chaos, it'll be chaos!
Oh, my stomach. But now I am future Spike. Oh.
You will?
Oh, great. I'm gonna be the one who gives us away.
Where did you... You all hear that?
I don't know. I've never heard answers so wrong. And so breakfast related.
I can't believe you ate all our muffins, Pinkie Pie. We best go inside and get some more.
Where did Shining Armor and Caden say they'd meet us? I'm starving.
In the town square. Come on, Pinkie, you know this one. Mysterious apples, only around for 5 days. Quiet down there. Pretty sure there's a rule against tummies ringing in. I'm just guessing, but